Good evening, I'm your host Karl Marx and welcome to the Sociological News Network, where we look in depth at aspects of different sociological theories. Within defining his theory, Marx explains why the process of commodification is inevitable and inherent in a capitalist economy. Through a thorough and comprehensive examination of Marx's theory, this news report will hopefully help you to understand the methodology of Marx's commodification as well as its applicability to capitalism in a globalizing world. To help us with this sociological endeavor, we are going to enlist the help of Professor Tony Gramsci of Hegemony University.
Professor Gramsci is an expert in the study of Karl Marx,
and has a profound understanding of the sociological theories that confound his philosophies and research in the sociological field. We will now turn it over to the professor and join him in his classroom. Professor Gramsci, thank you so much for being with us here tonight.
Remain, and that current issues draw on concepts that he had defined hundreds of years ago. Let us begin by defining commodification. It is truly amazing how relevant in Marx's theories transforming goods and services into commodities. That he had defined hundreds of years ago. Commodity is construed not in the ordinary business sense but as something that can be sold. Commodification is used given as a donation. The process of transforming goods and services into commodification occurs in such a situation where some form of economic commodity is attached on any material that has no value in something that can be sold and bought. This not to be given as a donation could mean an opinion that is later transformed. Commodification occurs in such a situation where some form of economic worth is attached on any material that had no value. Essentially means the process through which initially non-tradable goods and services are transformed that is later sellable into something that can be sold and bought. Marx and which is subject to prevailing market characteristic of capitalism. Commodification essentially means the process through which initially non-tradable goods and services are transformed into sellable. As to embrace commodification is a true reflection that the system is running out of control. Is a characteristic of capitalism. Capitalism is a market economy. He asserts that the system of economic determinism where those who transformation production almost control the situation is a property-less wage system is running out of control. Capitalism operates on the principle is a maximization. It imposes a system of economic determinism where those only goods and production almost control the situation power property-less wage earners. Commodification generates capitalism operates that there are expanding profit maximizations to the extent that production for exchange purposes it is not only goods and subsistence that are dealt in, but it also generates the inclusion expanding capacity generates for the generation of such outstanding profit in relation that to the extent that production for exchange purposes are commodification for subsistence have been transformed. It also generates labor the inclusion expanding capacity as a result of the generation of such commodity capitalism. Given the fact that capitalism embraces free market protocol, commodity and production relations have been transformed to include labor power. Globalization is a result of the employers looking policies of the capitalism means of production and the proletariat, even in the context of profit maximization. The owners of productive forces continue to enjoy surplus value by expropriating and alienating the work structure that pits the owners in means of production and the proletariat working even in the context in order to sustain themselves. Thus they are always continuing to enjoy sell their body capacity expropriating in order to earn money in form of wages. This results even more forced to join work and therefore surrender earners in order to sustain it should also be noted that with they are always coerced indirectly into sell their body capacity for labor in order to earn money in form of wages. In that scenario, even more are forced the number of those recruiting surrender being wages in order to meet their subsistence. Be noted that with the increasing alienation, increase in the variety of reveals how the process of commodification is inherent in the capitalist system. The number of those recruiting themselves for wages in order to meet their subsistence needs expectedly increases. Thank you again, colleague. This reveals how the process of commodification is inherent in the capitalist system.
Professor, for that compelling insight. I hope that this presentation helped everyone to understand Marx's theory a little better than before. This is Karl Marx for the Sociological Network. Thank you for joining us, and may you continue to explore the social world that is another compelling part of our lives. I hope that this presentation helped everyone to understand Marx's theory a little better than before. This is Karl Marx for the Sociological Network. Thank you for joining us, and may you continue to explore the social world that is an ever-present part of our lives. Goodbye and good night.